Welcome to We Bought a Broken Tractor Part 1. So today we are going to try and get it to run, which we'll just have to see if that happens. So what we've done so far is we pulled off the carburetor and both the manifolds, exhaust and intake. That still doesn't seem to work. So what we did, checked compression, and we were low on 4 of the 6 cylinders. So we're going to go ahead and do the valves. So what we're doing here, don't remember the spec, but I believe it's 4/1000 of an inch. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'd love to know your opinion down in the comments because we can't seem to make it run still. So we're just going ahead and adjusting those, and then we'll move on to the next step. So while we're doing this, we're taking advantage of the crank starter because that way we're able to accurately put the valves where they want to go compared to having to use the electric starter and sort of bouncing around. Now what we've done is put these manifolds back on. We took them off just to check if we could see any rust or anything. They're not fully bolted down, but they're enough that we should be able to try and start it. So let's try and do that. So here we're putting the spark plugs back in because they were all loose, and putting the wires on the right ones and just getting it ready so that we can try and start it, moving the tools, and then we'll go ahead and connect the battery cables here.
Okay.
Yep. I guess just... So cranked it around and around for quite a while and it wasn't going, so we decided to pull the spark plugs out again and then grab a little bottle of gas so that we could put them straight down the cylinder to give it the best shot at running. So once we did that, we tried to start it and it wouldn't start, so we're gonna put some more fluid into the cylinders and then we'll end up trying that again. Do you want it choked or not choked?
I don't know. Just try it. We'll just try. It might hydrolock right now. Anyway.
Okay, go.
That sounded good.
Go.
Ready? Choke.
Yeah. That did something.
That was good.
That was really good. I was moving the throttle with it choked.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah. Well, there was a little bit of something there at one point.
Yeah.
Okay, so with that, that's going to sum up the tractor for now. So it's still not running. Ended up going ahead and fixing this tire. It had a tube, so we just patched the tube. Seems to hold air now. Other than that, we haven't done anything. So let us know down in the comments below what you think would help. We're thinking put it inside the shop so it's about 15 degrees Celsius instead of 0. That might help it. We're going to fully bolt on the manifold just in case there's an air leak. And maybe adjust the valves again once it's in the heat. Other than that, I'm not really sure what to do. So if you like this stuff, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.